Hello everyone. Today we have a Stirling engine that is also known as a hot air engine. It uses fire, heat, here, heats up this and makes power. And I'm going to be going through the startup process. Now we're going to put the alcohol into this little container.
95% isopropyl alcohol.
You can make sure that the wick is high enough and also not too high. And then light it up. And wait about a minute. And then you turn the wheel. It wasn't quite long enough. Actually, on this one there's a USB, so we can plug a light into it. I'll let it get going just a wee bit faster. It actually came with this light here. Actually revs up when there's no load on it if I don't have the light plugged in, and then when the light gets plugged in it slows it down. I have this really big light here that I can plug in. Turn it on. And when you blow it out. It takes a while to fully stop.
Alright, so we're converting through many different forms of energy. So we're starting with chemical energy in the alcohol, and then as it's burning, it's turning the chemical energy into heat energy, and that is heating up the Stirling engine, which is then able to convert that heat into motion. And then that motion is used to power a generator, which converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. And then that electrical energy powers this light and turns it into light energy in photons. So it's going through many different, the energy is being changed into many different forms. And of course there's a lot of efficiency losses, but it's pretty interesting. And you can see not very much torque, barely pushed on it all. Not a little bit.
Okay, now I'll show you a clip of it lighting up a dark area with its own power. Okay, now we will stir it up. Plug in this big external light and turn it on. As you can see, it's making its own light. It's lighting itself up.
There's no lights on in here. The only light is from its fire, the little LED here, and the light is powering.
Look at the alcohol level.
Still a lot.
If I blow it out now,
We'll leave this on so that you can see it as it slowly fades down.
it's still on the same brightness.
And it's definitely getting dimmer.
Dimmer.
Until, why am I getting whiffs of alcohol?
It's flickering
Until there ain't
until there's
nothing.
nothing left.
And sorry folks, you can't see.
Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.